something is growing in Deerfield. It's the summer reading program at the Deerfield Public Library. Our theme is Plant a Seed, Read, and everyone can take part.
Everyone?
Everyone!
Do you need a library card? No, you don't need a library card.
Do you need to read books from the library?
Read whatever you want.
And don't forget to do our fun activities.
Read whatever you want, or listen to someone read.
Do some fun activities and you can earn cool prizes.
Wait, what's growing over here?
It's the DPL Cup! We need you all to finish the summer reading program, so...
Our school.
Our school.
Our school.
Our school. Our school. Our school.
Can win the DPL Cup!
What's the buzz about the prizes?
The prizes are amazing!
If you finish the program, you have a chance for amazing grand prizes, like a cool Lego set, an instant camera, an international snack box, or a trip to our makerspace with 2 friends to make cool projects. Be sure to visit the library, read, do our fun activities, and you can help your school win the DPL Cup.